Zaid is back and he got something. What is that, Zaid? Huh? Mama will help you. Mama will help you. Okay? What are these, Zaid? Oh, show Mama. What is this? What's that? Chips. Oh, very good. Put it here.
It's a chips.
Yeah, we'll eat later. Go show Mama first the other one.
Chips.
Oh, another chips, okay?
It's a chips.
Yes, we'll eat other one. Another one.
Chicken liver.
Chicken liver. Oh, put it here. Oh my gosh, it's... No, careful. It's... Oh, sige, the other one.
What is that?
What's
Corn.
that? Huh?
Corn.
It's not car, it's biscuit.
Biscuit.
Yes. Mm.
Chips.
Chips, yes, another chips. Pringles.
Hello.
Pringles, yes.
Rainbow.
Yes. Other one.
Iron.
Iron, yes, iron. Put it down, the other ones.
Papula.
What?
Potato.
What? Peanut.
Peanut.
Yes, it's peanut. Yes.
Peanut.
Yes. Peanut candy.
Peanut candy.
Yes.
Iron.
Iron, another iron. The red iron.
A blue iron.
Blue iron. Not touch your eyes. What's wrong? Next.
Mawala.
Chili. That's chili. Mm. What's that?
Papula.
What?
Potato.
What bubble? Where did you get that term?
Papula.
What?
Potato.
Sugar. Brown sugar. Yes. Next. Hurry up, Zaid. What's that? Blue iron. Next.
Bubble bread.
Baba bread. Finished? Finished? Oh, thank you, Zaid. Now Zaid will eat the chips. Mama also. Give Mama. Thank you, Zaid. Yummy or not? Huh?
Just
Yes. How much eating is Zaid? Enough na, be? Enough na. It's not good. Give Mama, be. Share Mama. Feed Mama.
bah.
Thank you, Zaid.
Did you eat?
Zaid also. Mama will feed Zaid, be. Mama will feed Zaid. Dali.